What's up guys? Today we're at the gym and my goal is to train my double B twist. If you saw my latest sampler, you'll know I fell a lot on hyper double full double B twist and I don't want to do that again. So today I'm drilling my B twist and I'm going to give you guys a ton of tips on how to train in a good progressive fashion. Before I get into training, I want to say a massive thank you to the sponsor of Mastering Tricking, the Vigilante Coffee Company. If you guys want to try some epic, amazing coffee, please go check out Vigilante. This coffee is my absolute favorite, and it has become a ritual of mine to brew some before I do some tricking training, and having that sort of Pavlovian response before you get to work is super important, and it's one of those things that helps me really stay motivated. But guys, go check out Vigilante Coffee. There will be a link to them in the description down below, but let's get training. All right, so it's time to start training the double B twist. But I'm not gonna start by doing the double B twist. I wanna warm my body up, and I also wanna make sure that I'm kind of calibrated right in terms of my timing and my technique. So instead, I'm gonna start by drilling like 10, maybe 25 butterfly kicks on both sides to just try and warm my body up and get me ready to actually start doing big skills like the double B twist. I'm not just gonna come into the gym, YOLO double B twist, and just fall on my butt. That's not gonna feel good for me. That doesn't feel good for anybody. I'm gonna start out by drilling and warming up with some butterfly kicks. Nice and chill. One thing that is super important to understand is the progressive nature of tricking. If you want a super solid double B twist, having a really good butterfly kick is one of the best things you can do to make that easy. If your butterfly kick sucks, for lack of a better term, it's going to be really hard to do a double butterfly twist. But the better your butterfly kick, the easier it will be. So go back and train the basics if you want the advanced skills to come like that. Next, I'm gonna move to drilling the butterfly twist. Now, when I was working the butterfly kick, my goal was to make sure my set was good, that I could jump up and get plenty of height for a good twist. Now, I'm gonna start incorporating that twist, and my goal in doing this is to try and make sure I have really good timing. Good timing in setting, jumping up into the air, wrapping in a nice tight twist, and then opening up and falling into the landing. If my butterfly twist doesn't feel good, I'm not gonna work up even more to the double B twist. I'm gonna make sure everything I train kind of checks off the box in the full progression. One thing to keep in mind is every time I do a B-twist, I'm not trying to get the best swing B-twist possible. For example, I'm not trying to do a really big cork out of my B-twist. I'm trying to progress to the double B-twist. So instead of trying to do it really fast and low, I'm trying to be really floaty and trying to go as high as possible. So that way it will be easy to add on that second twist when it's time. The next step in the progression is the hyper B-twist. Now, when you land your double B-twist, it will feel a lot like a B-twist. You're still landing incomplete. It's the same landing stance, but you just have to add on another twist. To help you prepare for that, what I like to do is I like to train the hyper B-twist. It's just a B-twist, but instead of landing on your normal leg, you're gonna add a little bit of rotation and land on the other one. Now, if you can land in a solid hyper B-twist, it's not that hard to add on that last little bit to land the double. So I'm gonna drill some hypers. One thing to keep in mind, every single time I do a hyper B-twist, I'm checking myself to see if I am good enough and strong enough today to do a double B-twist. If I got to this point in the session and I was falling and eating floor on every single hyper B-twist, I would not progress to the double. But today, things are feeling really good. So I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna try and do some double B-twist attempts and land on my feet, hopefully. Whew. We'll see. And with that, it is time to train the double B-twist. I don't know if I'll land it on my first attempt. I got the camera switched to super slow motion so that way we can analyze my technique. But this is the first double B-twist of the day. I did not land it. I don't think I committed enough. I don't think I put in nearly enough power in the set. So I'm gonna go again. I landed it with the most clutch recovery aerial in the world, but that is not nearly good enough for me. So I'm gonna train this until I get at least 1 or 2 clean, consistent landings. That one was super short. That is how I want it to feel. That landing where I just kind of land and I absorb it and I kind of twist out, that is how I want every single double B-twist to feel like and land. Now the goal is to copy that and paste it and do a few more, and then I'll close it out for the day. that's enough training for today. Whoo! I think I definitely made some improvements on my double B twist. If nothing else, I helped really train the muscles that help you control doing a good B twist and a solid double B. Next time I come to train, I know for a fact double B twist will be a little bit easier because of all the work I put in today. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please check out Vigilante. If it wasn't for that coffee, I'm not sure if I would have been able to make it through this session, but please do the best you can, get some training done, and have a lovely day. I need a nap. Ugh.